Hey there, I'm really excited to announce that this house on townhouse on 2510 Hatch Circle is going to go live Friday. It's a great little home. It's got 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. You're on the corner pretty much of Woodman and Union. You're close to everything out the back door. You've got a great rec center, a pool, easy access to Cottonwood Creek to ride your bike downtown if you wanted to, or up Santa Fe Trail. Beautiful location, great little house. Really think the price is going to be at $324. Really can't go wrong. It'd be a great house for me. It'd be a great starter home or even a house for somebody who might want to retire. So I look forward to seeing you come on down. Thanks.